I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You're going to start by getting to the controls fast. First, make sure the PC and monitor are powered and connected. A dim screen can be cable or power related. Once ready, open Display Settings via Start or Windows key plus I and navigate to System Display. You should see brightness and color controls. Note the current percentage so you can revert if needed. Make sure to check whether you are on battery or plugged in, because power mode will change available brightness range. Next, you tackle the middle steps that usually fix stubborn brightness issues. If the slider is missing or limited, open Device Manager and update or reinstall the display adapter and monitor drivers. This restores control and fixes conflicts. Once done, return to Display Settings and use Advanced Display Settings to access adapter properties. Vendor control panels like Intel or NVIDIA will let you fine-tune gamma and brightness. If you're on an external monitor, use its on-screen display buttons. This is often faster and more precise. To finish, apply and test your settings across battery and plugged-in modes, then save a custom power plan so brightness stays consistent. Restart the machine to ensure driver and registry changes take effect, and check for Windows updates or vendor utility updates that may restore controls. If the screen remains dim, try swapping the display cable, reset the monitor on-screen settings, or boot into safe mode to determine whether a third-party app is interfering. This single troubleshooting tip often reveals whether it's hardware or software causing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.